You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from French, this phrase, which is a specific type of golden money, pronounced in French as Louis d'or. Louis is essentially, yes, of course, French for Louis, the name of many kings of France. Or is French for gold, the precious metal. Louis d'or, the French pronunciation, Louis d'or. In English, you can pronounce it as Louis d'or. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.